What we're going to need to do is to reach behind the OBD2 port where you have the gateway connector, remove the gateway connector. Next step, insert the gateway connector in line with the T-harness. Connect the blue connector from the T-harness to the remote starter module. Turn to the on position. The LED should start flashing green. It is programmed. Push lock 3 times. Once, twice, 3 times. If you want it to stop, push lock 3 times again. Once, twice, 3 times. Use the zip ties to secure the module in place. We secured the module over here. However, this is not necessarily the best spot for your particular vehicle. With this kit, you have access to the remote start settings in the dashboard. To access these settings, while the truck is in park, use the arrows on the steering wheel to access the settings in the dash. You can set the duration of the remote start, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes, and you can change the climate control settings during the remote start. You have 2 options for climate control, automatic or last settings. Automatic settings means that in hot or cold weather the truck aims to cool or heat the truck to 72 degrees, and in moderate weather it uses the last settings. The other option is last settings, which simply means whatever you leave the climate control at when you shut down the truck is what will happen when you remote start.